segment AB, see this, segment AB and segment AD are tangent segments drawn to a circle with center C from exterior point A. Then prove that angle A means angle BAD, angle A is equal to 1/2 bracket major arc BYD minus major arc BXD. Okay, now here this is our to prove. Now I will write directly here proof. See this, proof. According to this to prove, we write our proof. See carefully. Now every tangent is perpendicular to the radius. CB, CD, these are radii, and AB and AD are tangent segments. So we write here every tangent is perpendicular to the radius drawn through the point of contact. Every tangent is perpendicular to the radius drawn through the point of contact. Therefore, this angle and this angle means, therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Now see this, 90 degree and 90 degree. If pair of opposite angles in any given quadrilateral, if opposite angles are supplementary, if opposite angles of any given quadrilateral are supplementary, then that quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral. See here, angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. Did you get it? Now see this, ABCD is a cyclic, then I have told what is opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, these are also opposite angles. Therefore, angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Did you get it? Now I will write alone angle A plus here, instead of BCD is the central angle. Angle BCD is the central angle. The measure of central angle and its corresponding minor arc. Measure of central angle and its corresponding minor arc are same, equal. No? Therefore, instead of measure angle BCD, we write major arc BXD. Did you get it? Measure of central angle and its corresponding minor arc are equal. Their measures are equal. So we write this is equal to 180 degree. This is our equation number 1. Did you get it? Now, see this very, very important now. The sum of the measures of minor arc BXD plus major arc BYD. Sum of the measures of arcs means which minor arc BXD and major arc BYD is 360 degree. See here, major arc BXD plus major arc BYD is equal to 360 degree. Did you get it? With the help of arc BXD and arc BYD, circle is formed with the help of minor arc BXD and major arc BYD. Circle is formed and angular measure of circle is 360 degree. Very simple. Now we want here 180 degree. So we want here also 180 degree. No? So multiplying both sides by 1/2. Multiplying both sides by 1/2. See here, 1/2 major arc BXD plus 1/2 major arc BYD is equal to 360 degree into 1/2. 2 ones are 2 8s are, so cancel here and this 180 degree. Did you get it? This is, we write our equation number 2. Did you get it? Now from equations 1 and 2, 180 degree same. So RHS are equal, so LHS are also equal. Did you get it? Therefore, see here, angle A plus major arc BXD, did you get it? Is equal to, means LHS is equal to this LHS, half major arc BXD, okay, plus half major arc which BYD. Did you get it? Now see this BXD or major arc this BXD we take to the right side. Okay, therefore see here, angle A is equal to, I will take here, then I will write, okay, 1 upon 2 major arc BXD. Okay, I will take here, then plus becomes minus 1 upon 1 major arc BXD. Did you get it? 1 upon 1 means 1. Here 1 major arc BXD plus 1 upon 2 major arc BYD. Did you get it? Therefore, here angle A is equal to 1 into 1, 1, 1 into BXD. No? 1 into 1, 1. What is sign? 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2. Upon 2 into 1, 2. Major arc BXD. Did you get it? Plus 1 upon 2 major arc BYD. Did you get it properly? Now angle A is equal to series 1 upon 2 major arc BYD series 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 upon 2 major arc BXD. Did you get it? Therefore, angle A is equal to 1/2 common, 1/2 common. This is common. What is left here? Minus major arc BXD. This is your to prove.